Okay, so the registration is complete. We've got all your details and you're ready now to start the first part of the application process. We say the first part because there are two parts of the application. A series of questions that must be answered online and a visual upload, either a video clip setting out the business case or a presentation slide deck. You should complete the online application form now and prepare your visual ready for upload when requested. This part of the application allows you free hand to tell us about your business. There are 18 sections to complete and each text box is limited to 300 characters. We set a limit of 300 characters per question because at this stage we only want limited information, but sometimes it tells us so much more about the business. Each question should be completed. Try to use ordinary language and keep the application simple. Don't forget that the reader of the application may not be as familiar with your business or as familiar with your sector as you are. Your job is to inform them without frustrating them, so keep the text as non-technical as possible. Tell us about your business in general. Tell us about the size of the addressable market. Tell us about the problem that your business solves. Who's the target customer? What steps have you taken to validate that a market exists? We want you to list the name, role, percentage shareholding and skill sets of each of the management team. Click on the plus button to add the details of any additional members. List your main competitors and tell us a little bit about their strengths and weaknesses. Tell us what's different about your offering. Can you protect your idea? What stage of development is your product or service at? Tell us if you're revenue generating at this stage. How are you going to get the product known? What's your route to market strategy? Set out details of any revenues to date and the turnover, gross profit and net profit that you're projecting the next 3 years. What's the amount you plan to raise in this round and what will it be used for? Tell us the total being raised. Will there be more than one round? If you're an Irish company, tell us if there will be any match funding available. Set out your exit strategy. And finally, list the top 3 risks faced by your business today. When you have completed all the fields and are happy with your application, click on Submit. You will receive an email confirmation advising you that we have received your application. You can log on again at any time to update the information. Let's say you've started the application but you've run into some difficulties answering one of the questions. As long as you submit at the bottom of the form, your information will be saved and you can log on again at any time to update the information. The email that you received will also tell you what date you should upload your visual information on. This date will be between the 2nd and 5th of June. You cannot submit any visual information outside of this date. Our next click will take you through preparing the visual element of the application. Click on the link to see it.